Hello students. Now today we are starting new chapter plane, the next part of the line in 3D. A plane is a surface such that if any 2 points lie on the surface, then the entire line joining them lies on the surface. Clearly, two intersecting lines always determine a plane uniquely. Two intersecting lines. Three non-collinear points always determine a plane uniquely. A line and a point outside. A line and a point outside it always determine a plane uniquely. Now here for the equation of plane we are having two forms, general form and normal form. And again for general and normal form we are having vector equation and Cartesian equation similar to the line in 3D. Consider this plane surface and n bar is a perpendicular. N bar is a perpendicular to the surface. AR is a vector on the plane. AR is a vector on the plane. N bar is perpendicular. Therefore AR dot n is equal to 0. AR dot n is equal to 0. A x1 y1 z1 a point on the plane. This will be given while solving the problem. And R x y z that will not be given, that we have to consider any general point on the plane similar to the line. And n bar is a normal vector, that is n bar perpendicular to AR or n bar perpendicular to the plane. Therefore as I told you AR dot n is equal to 0. N bar is AI cap plus B j cap plus C k cap. And what is that small a, small b, small c? Direction ratios of normal to the plane. Direction ratios of normal to the plane. Now AR dot n bar is equal to 0. Therefore R bar minus A bar dot n bar is equal to 0. Writing AR in terms of position vector. And therefore R dot n is equal to A dot n is a vector equation of the plane. Now to convert in Cartesian form, write down R bar as xi plus yj plus zk. N bar AI plus bj plus ck. Right hand side A bar and n bar. Now dot product is a product of only corresponding coefficients of I, j and k. Therefore left hand side is ax plus by plus cz and right hand side is ax1 plus by1 plus cz1. Now a is a constant, x1 constant, b constant, y1 constant, c constant, z1 constant. Therefore ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 is equal to consider constant p. That p is a arbitrary constant or unknown constant, and therefore ax plus by plus cz is equal to p is a Cartesian formula for equation of the plane. Now based on this we will consider two examples. Example 1, find equation of plane in a vector form and Cartesian form. Passing through point A 1 2 5 point on the plane, and n bar 4i cap minus j cap plus 3k cap is a normal vector, perpendicular vector to the plane. As I told you, R x y z general point that we have to consider. R bar dot n bar is equal to A bar dot n bar, vector form. Now R bar dot n bar is a 4i cap minus j cap plus 3k cap. Right hand side is a bar from a coordinate I cap plus 2j cap plus 5k cap dot 4i cap minus j cap plus 3k cap. Now dot product is a product of only corresponding coefficients. Therefore it is a 1 into 4 plus 2 into minus 1 plus 5 into 3. Therefore 4 minus 2 plus 15 is equal to right hand side 17, and left hand side is R dot 4i cap minus j cap plus 3k cap as it is equal to 17 is a vector form of the plane. And Cartesian form very simple to convert. I, j, k replaced by x, y, z, that is the answer. Therefore 4x minus y plus 3z is equal to 17 is a Cartesian form. And all of you might be understood from these two steps that how to convert from vector form to Cartesian form. I, j, k replaced by x, y, z, because R bar is x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. And how to convert 4x minus y plus 3z is equal to 17, that is Cartesian to vector. Right hand side keep as it is, and left hand side 4x minus y plus 3z replaced by 4i cap minus j cap plus 3k cap, and only write down dot r bar. r bar. That is a simple method to convert from vector to Cartesian, Cartesian to vector. Second example, the coordinate of the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the origin to the plane is 2, 3, 1. Find the equation of plane in vector and Cartesian form. Now 2, 3, 1 is a point on the plane. OA bar is equal to n bar, that is given because A is a foot of perpendicular from origin, therefore OA bar is equal to n bar. That means n bar itself is a bar. R, x, y, z general point on the plane. R dot n is equal to A dot n, vector form. Therefore R dot 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4 plus k cap is equal to right hand side 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap dot with 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap. Left hand side is no change. R dot 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap. Right hand side is 2 into 2 4 plus 3 into 3 9 plus 1 into 1 1 is equal to 14, and therefore R bar dot 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap is equal to 14 is a vector form of the plane, and 2x plus 3y plus z is equal to 14 is a Cartesian form. Thank you.